cheese. Gang, gang. Wow, look at this trailer backing skills. Oh wait, there's no truck. All right, what is going on, guys? Look what we're doing. Some stupid shenanigans. We're taking my brother's roommates. Dear God. My brother roommate Sebastian. He's got a 240. He's got this built turbo KA for it, which was in the apartment. And so we just dragged it out of the apartment. Now we gotta go take it to the shop where the car is at so that we can slam it in there tonight and hopefully get it running. So right now we're just getting all that stuff loaded up and then we're on our way. On the way! Alright, it took us like 45 minutes, but we finally got the engine and trans in the trailer, all locked up, ready to go. Loading the engine hoist in there because we gotta do the opposite of what we just did once we get there. But you know, whatever, it's okay, everything is fine, we're all fine, everything is fine.
It's fine.
Alright, well those goons are finishing loading up that hoist. Can't even see because it's dark, but Branson's back there. We're still on the top of the parking garage, but we're going to the very top. As you can see, Tiger Stadium, because I'm at Louisiana State University, so that's where he goes. And that's it, over there. Let's see. We have made it here to the shop. As you can see, we got the trailer all the way here. And this is the shop where my brother works. It's called Hybrid Racing. This is Sebastian's 240. But this is Hybrid Racing. They work on Hondas. Branson. We just got to get that motor in there. It's going to be in here and running tonight. Apparently. So let's get this show on the road. These goons are working on this engine. They just did the rear main on it. And Branson's doing some homework. I'm editing a video, a Datsun video. And that's about it. We're jamming to some music, but copyright. So that's off right now. Got my Cheez-Its, got my laptop, got my jams. Let's get it done. Today, in 2018, in this century. Okay.
You think I should have locked that this bin? Yeah, definitely. Locked them? Yeah.
It is now 2:01 in the morning. We still here. We're about to go get some food. Except every time we go to get food, Sebastian wants to do one more thing. That's okay, we'll get food eventually.
Oh yeah.
We also have to go all the way back to the apartments because we forgot the belts on it. And then we got to go to Walmart, which is open 24 hours. Because we got to get the oil for the engine. And we got to go to Whataburger, because it's the only one in Louisiana outside of Texas, you know. And it's going to be good.
No, fuck you.
Alright, as you can see, we got 3 boys working on this engine.
Almost to be fucking sick, I'll tell you that.
Got the trans on, clutch on, trans on. We went and got some food. Went all the way back to the apartment, got the belts. Got the oil, we're all set. So now this is all together. Putting the last couple things on, putting the belts on, and then it's going in there. So get ready for that time lapse. GoPro live! Guys, it is 7:38.
Oh, the distributor wasn't both done.
And this just started. I fell asleep on the couch over there for a little bit.
Typical YouTuber.
And GoPro died while doing it, but
Welcome back, kids.
I got a little bit of footage on my phone when I was woken by an exhaust in my face. Oh my god.
What?
And yeah, timing's off a little bit, so we're still messing with that.
Dude, I just like manually
And
adjusted until
people just start showing up to Branson's work. And we're like, hey, we've been here all night long.
You're doing 2 different spinning courses.
Hey, Branson, your class just started.
No, yes. So did his, but his was more important. I could skip mine.
Oh boy.